Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share my crochet tutorial with you, which I already use it for my vest. This is really nice and easy, only 2 row repeat, and what we have to do, let's get started by make some chain. Now we are going to make some chains. The chains depends to you for the size of the pattern, how many you like, but for the tutorial I'm going to stop here. What we have to do, I'm going to start the row by chain 3, 4, 8, and then I chain one more, then insert my hook in the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and try to grab the yarn once, one more time. Then I'm going to make all loops together. I try one more time, the same chain, 1 and 2. Then I take like this, and when I have 3 loops I make 3 loops together. Then what we have to do from now on, I'm going to chain 2, then skip 2 stitches. In the third one I'm going to make 1 double crochet like that. Repeat again by chain 2, slip 2 stitches. In the third one I make a poof stitch with twice, grab the yarn like this, take this one, don't finish it, do one more time, 1, 2, now I have 3 loops, I'm going to make it together. Repeat by chain 2, skip 2, the third one, make 1 double crochet like this. Now we repeat again by chain 2, then 1, 2 like this, in the same chain, 1, 2 like this, then chain 1. When it comes to at the end I'm going to skip 1 chain and then make double crochet in the chain as a edge. As you can see here, the pattern should look like that. For the next row, what we have to do, we are going to chain 3, return the work, and make 1 chain for separation. When it comes to the poof stitch, we are going to change the pattern by make only 1 double crochet on the top of this. When it comes to the 1 double crochet, we are going to make poof stitch. What we have to do for separation, we make 2 chain, and on the top of this stitch we are going to make a poof stitch by grab the yarn twice. First we make it 1, we have 2 loops left, We do it one more time. 1, 2, like this, and then make 1. Then 2 chain. When it comes to the puff stitch, we are going just to make 1 double crochet, like that. We repeat again by make puff stitch on the top of this one. One more time. 1, 2, like that. Chain 2, then 1 double crochet, chain 1. When it comes at the end of the work, I'm going to make 1 double crochet on the top of the chain, like that, as an edge. That's all. This is 2 row repeats. If you repeat the pattern by chain 3, return the work. Now it's time to make again like row 1 to change the pattern. If you keep continue the pattern like this, you are going to have the pattern like this. And also I have another pattern I can show you. This is the one I made. They can be used for any kind of lacy pattern like a scarf, summer top, and whatever you like. This is really easy, I told you, and nice and fast to crochet. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.